video reviews the foundations quiz that we took on Friday, December 3rd. In the first two questions, you needed to convert the decimal to a fraction. In 0.03, we can see that 3 is in the hundreds place, which means that I have 3 hundredths. This is as simplified as this fraction can get because there's no whole number that I can divide the top and the bottom by to get another whole number. In question 2, I see that my smallest digit is in the thousandths place, which means that I have 154 over 1,000. Some people made the mistake of writing something like 154 over 100. Think about it this way. 154 out of 100 would be greater than 1, because if 100 is the whole, 154 is greater than the whole. 154 over 1,000 is less than 1, just like the decimal. If the fraction were, or I should say, if the decimal were simply 0.15, we would be able to write 15 over 100. But because we have the 4 in the thousands place, we need our denominator to be in terms of thousands. In questions 3 and 4, you're simply converting the fraction to a decimal, which means we just divide numerator divided by denominator. 3 divided by 20 gives me a decimal of 0.15. And in question 4, I divide 26 by 25 for a decimal of 1.04. Now, in question 5, it asks us to simplify the fraction. Remember that we can simplify fractions by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number. I know that I can divide 4 by 4 to get 1, and I also know that I can divide 20 by 4 to get 5. So a simplified version of this fraction would be 1/5. A lot of people miss this direction, simplify the fraction, and they just converted it to a decimal instead. So make sure you're reading closely.